Alright, this is a toucan who's being affectionate and loving. He doesn't want to let go of me. Right? You want me to pet ya? Yeah, you holding my finger? This is how he holds my hand. Right, Squishy? Yeah. You holding my hand? You gonna make noises? Are you happy today? He was getting all kind of cuddled up next to his water bowl over here, and I looked like he wanted attention, so I came out. Hello! And you want love, don't you? You want love? You being gentle with that serrated beak? You being gentle? You being silly? Playful and cute? Yes, you are. I was preening his feathers. Yes, I was preening your feathers. You being sweet? You being playful and silly and beautiful? Yeah, you are. You want me to feed you? I don't have any food. It's a hand. I love you. You're a good bird. You want me to pet your beak? Do you want me to wash it? No? You want me to get the food off of it? You just want to play? You just want to play? That's funny. I don't think I've ever played with him like this. Should I get it from this side so we can see you in the sunlight better? Bailey's inside yelling at me. She's in the kitchen. Jealous. Right? Are you a toucan? Green Araçari toucan? You're silly. You like those straws too, don't ya? Yeah, I love you. You're a silly bird. You're a silly bird. Yes, you are. You're being sweet. You're being sweet. Look at that serrated beak. He can peck, he can bite, but he can also be sweet. If you look at his body language too, see how his wings are kind of draped down on the side. He's relaxed. And this is his uropegial gland back here. I don't know if you can see that. That's where he gets his precursor to vitamin D. When he preens, he puts his beak here. And then he preens his feathers, and the sunlight turns it to vitamin D from his uropegial gland. Yes. And then when you preen, you take your vitamin D. Oh yeah, are you going to peck a little bit now? You gonna play tug of war with my fingers? You should see him catch bugs. It's great. It's great seeing you catch those carpenter bees. He loves eating carpenter bees. Those are your favorites. He'll do the yellow jackets too, but he likes the carpenter bees better. They're nice and big and furry and juicy. You're so silly. I've never played with you like this. It's so much fun. You're a goofy bird. Poopies. I don't think I got it on camera though. I was looking at your beak. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You gonna fly over here? Come here. You gonna step up? He doesn't really step up like parrots as well. You kind of have to encourage him. Yes. Oh, you're so beautiful. You went back. He sees all the birds fly overhead and takes cover sometimes. Yeah. You gonna show them how you play with the straw? And your straw? See how his body language changed? His feathers went flat on his head. That's his I'm gonna kill it look. You dropped it! His feathers flat on his head but sticking out the back of his neck. That's I'm gonna kill it. Look. Yeah, kill it! Banging on that perch. Oh yeah, you're being gentle with me, but silly. You want this one? You want that one? No? You want to play with me? Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, you're so silly. Yeah, if he was really angry, he would bite me and not let go. And, like, bite me hard. Like, I'd have to pry his beak off. But right now, he's being a silly, playful bird. Are you taking cover? Notice how he's trying to take cover over there, and he's looking up at the sky now. Somebody must have been flying around. Can't see anything now, but he notices all that. Yeah. You looking up? Who's up there? Who's up there? Who's up there? Are you a silly bird? Do you ever play with the sky? You like playing with me? I'm gonna get your toes. You're funny. You're a funny bird. Yes, you're funny. I'm having fun. I'm gonna do a selfie video now.